Ella, and welcome to our channel. It's our day 2 na ni namin sa Belgium. And we're on our way to
Ghent. Because agenda today, kay mag-day trip me to, I don't know how to pronounce it though, like Ghent or Gent to Bruges.
from from
Bruges or
Brussels.
Bruges?
Wait lang, from Brussels to Ghent. From Ghent to Bruges. Bruges to Brussels.
To Brussels.
Mm.
Kay ano mo sila, like it's worth it daw on a day trip from if you're staying in Brussels, because Brussels is just a small city. Like pwede lang nimo siya makaya ra nimo siya if imo siyang go to the to the core, kay kaya ra nimo one day yun siya i-tour. So like we thought why not, since 3 days man may, so mag day trip may, and doon lang siya paano siya 1 hour and 10 minutes to Ghent to Bruges kay 20 minutes I think, tapos Bruges to Brussels kay 1 hour na po. So like
Okay,
it's not
siya.
bad.
It's not bad. So we have a lot of things planned today, and appeal na ang among pagkaon. Later
Ay.
show sa vlog, which is looking forward to highlight each of the trip.
Highlight of the day. Gitan-aw na pud mi kay murag pistola gyud ang kamera ni Ella.
Kasi nanguna na sila hala nung pusil na ganyan dala. Gitan ano pud mi ni ante kay
Gani
perfect
mo,
ba ya?
laruy.
Perfect good sa kuan sa amin. Kasi sige lang.
Sa mga
Life
to
goes
siya.
on, gasoline,
So-
lesion.
Abi na kung ay sorry
Shoulder.
sorry. Sorry dai.
Ay, dili. Uy, na mi outro ani ng vlog ha. Stop.
Since kinaman may 1 hour and 10 minutes, nagdala mi.
Oh no.
Mercy, magdula.
Magdula mi.
Malkuken ug okay pa mo friendship right after.
Actually, nami kauban dali na trip ma. Hey. Alam, gustlayable ka daw siya.
Oo, slave mo na.
And then, our Pinay Big Brother. Maghay ka naman sa vlog.
You failed.
Apaka-show na siya. Wala. Na-reveal na yung totoong ugali. Behind the cam. Ako na-realize, kanina trip kay Marjun Ming nagbalay-balay na dito sa world. Like, the world is our playground, di namang theme song. Ay, mo theme song na among formal theme. Ambot na, no? Kitsi-kitsi gini diri. One big family. In the club, we all fam.
Mo to siya guys, magdula sa may uno.
See you later. Hey guys!
We've arrived again, and we
Again.
almost
We almost
did not jump out of the train.
guys, kay
We almost
Kumo.
missed our stop on a day.
We almost missed our stop, guys.
Never.
Kay so far busy gid mi nagdula.
Og uno.
Uno, sige, another round. Bita na.
Ano pa si Sherry? Ano po kagrabe sad 1 hour. Ay, 1 hour na gid nila vibe, guys.
Tapos like nagtingala mi kay si mama. Bita na saan ako basig mo una pagtan-on na sa mo sa gawa sa door.
Mauna gid di ay. Ay, sorry.
Guys, ba?
Gento.
Kamus na
Gento.
gid na mo ang ano cards.
Never. Naked
mo to.
minigawas, guys. Walay jacket
Wala
and
yung
everything.
jacket and everything. Kay go fight. Lugan nag-stop ang
Pero
train.
kay sumuto na nulod sa mi og kanang murag waiting area nila. Nulod sa mi. Unya si Sherry kay nagtan-aw man siya sa iyang outfit
Fit
niya.
niya.
Si Al ay more perfect na sa Coco Chanel by
Coco
Chyla. Ay namig.
Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. Let's say
Oh, nanawin.
Coco Chanel.
Ay, never ka na audience na falakpakan.
Ito siya guys.
So,
And
short
then-
recap of what happened.
Wala na siya na vlog guys.
Okay,
Kay,
you know what? We almost did not jump out of the train. Ay.
we almost
Ay.
jump out of the
Ambak,
train.
wala na ko nang missed our stuff, so we almost did not jump out of the train.
Mo
We
to siya.
almost didn't step out of the train.
Tanaw.
Jump out,
Jump
boy.
out. Fly out of the train.
Kaya tayo laman, kaya tayo laman.
Si Sherry is-zoom na. Hello? Uy, iyaha na ginagaba. Ako nag-zen, inner peace. Ayaw lalagay siya. Wala lagi mga explanation. Wala, stop, nakat. My cousin was watching this.
Wow.
pod sa another Christmas market. May photo booth. Ay mo. Hey guys, so kami na ang next.
Yes.
Yes, let's go.
Ay, stop.
Kami na doon ni Sherwin man na kay si
You
mom.
betray me.
Si mom is being a mom. So, manulog na mi sa among card. We're going. So guys, sana may diri apple heaven sa Bob. The goal stash. I got my Dubai chocolate na with strawberries and cream ng Belgian waffle, and it tastes test na go ang gloves. Okay, pwede mo na i-off edge.
So I got my first Belgian waffle with Oreo and pistachio sauce. Taste test.
Away na ako. Pangit. Hindi kaya pila sa kilid. May ganit.
Wow. It's screaming Belgium.
Hi guys, my Belgian waffle. Oh my gosh. It's Dubai chocolate with strawberries and cream.
Taste test.
Yummy, I know.
The cream.
Right?
It's
Wow.
screaming Belgium.
It's so good.
So we're here. Nana is again. Nana naman yung namin sa Gentnan. Somewhere else. Asa man taday?
Sa diri sa by the river.
Nana ko is San Lalo.
Someone na nagawas ng glasses.
Nana
The glasses is out.
Because
Are out.
the summer and the winter nag-fusion
Oh, the
sila, guys.
fusionation.
So for tog now siya, pero the sun is out.
Let's go forward. Stop.
Na.
Forward na against the sun.
Against
Against the sun. Against the light. Ano ganyo? Muro ko go mafia. Mafia.
And the yeah. Laban siya sa ako, oh.
Hala.
Oh, nag-away dyan na sila doon kasi. Nag-aray sila mo.
Let's lay up.
Kaya ba patayin?
Guys, sa gitna na po may nagitna na Christmas market.
Gunigo po kayo.
Yun tayo kay. May ice skating rink inside, and then also yung Christmas tree again. Tapos dili. Na may pakita sa inyo. Look how cute!
So, giving Christmas.
Screaming Merry Christmas! Oh, magtituyok na siya sa Christmas balls ka mo sakay. So cute!
OMG.
So cute!
Okay, gutom na? Dito.
Hey guys, so we're finally here.
We're in Bruga.
Bruga. Bruga. Bruga. Bruga. Come on, I said Bruga.
Gani, kamo na paigo guys, kay medyo busy.
Look, it's...
I need to eat first because I'm hungry. Guys, must go ang Europe pag Christmas.
pag
So,
Christmas.
many things
Wala,
to
medyo,
do.
medyo 5 euros sa ilang gloves. So, sana palit 10 euros. Ay, lahim nag-call.
Medyo
Busy
busy
si
siya.
Shiri day. Wa nakita sa frame.
Medyo busy. Medyo busy. Medyo busy. Required kita
Wala po siya.
Shari.
It's either manuklood siya or mamirag shoulder ka na mamili pag yun siya ka ng bawal birahon na shoulder. Medyo
Alam,
lain
hindi
yun siya.
na
Oo, namira na po.
Oh my gosh.
Like, overwhelmed ko sa kanagan people. Overwhelmed na po mi gamay.
Ako, na-overwhelm na po ko.
Okay, so many feffel. Oo.
Wala sila ko handmade. Dito nga print ako na ko. Oh my gosh.
So guys, muna siya ang kuan. The Christmas meatballs. It's that. With cranberries. Medyo weird. One pulled chicken. One pulled fries. Yeah. So should we take this?
Okay lang.
Okay, then we'll take
That one?
2.
Ay, kainit. Medyo sweat lagi. Medyo intimate. Lame. Whoa, that's loaded fries.
Bigates.
Dapat kasi ganyang kalaki.
Ay!
Ay, stop.
Kasi patikim mo lang.
Ay.
Patikim.
Ano, from 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
And yes. Sure.
Sure up. Ay. Hey guys, so nanami diri sa kuan. Na ta?
City Center.
City Center sa Bruges.
Yeah, whoa, pretty shop.
It's so pretty. Like, talikod ta. See? It's giving, wow, Europe.
Wow. Giving, more siya manghod sa Prague because the castles kay medyo pointy, ano?
It's like, try it's more naka to Prague, but it's like Prague and Amsterdam
Combined.
collaboration of Prague and Amsterdam. Ed, Bob, wala kang reaction.
Let's go na.
This is us after
Tapos yung
eating.
isang coke mo.
Stop na. Medyo red lagi ko, medyo
295.
blushy. Medyo fluffy na, pero ready na mag-Belgian waffles. Diba siya? Hot chocolate. The parentals.
The princesses. Tawag kami. Okay kami. Kumusta kayo dyan sa Canada? Sabi na. Or malas ka ba dito?
Ano your name?
Can I get your number? Behind you?
Ay,
It's you? It's you? Saan naman to?
Christmas market na pud mi. Christmas.
Oh, one day, siguro makatulog ang Christmas market na mo. With a Christmas. Merry Christmas! Grabe guys, like, wala dyan ako trabaho today. Like, legit tulog ka Christmas market ang mga natuan.
It's giving star ng Pasko.
Gani! Oh my gosh! Ay, Ana, bito ko guys, contagious ang mga kuhan. Hip-hop, hip-hop.
Mo to, 3 times a day mag-Christmas market. Mag-Belgian waffles. Mag-3 times a day.
Ito, 3 times a day, pito na Christmas market.
Actually,
Gikan na may experience, ay, nag-Belgian waffles na sad. Si Ate Ella lang guys, kay,
The theme of the day is eat. Eat.
Sir, the day gapon sa the time of the year na lang.
Theme of the trip. Moto sige naming pangaon guys.
And fresh strawberries. Is that with whipped? Okay, thank you. Excuse me, can I get a flag like this? Yeah. It's very important for the picture. Thank you. So guys, I got my 100th Belgian waffle. Look, it's so cute. Mag-zen-zen na ba ya?
Adan na eh.
Di ba, Ed?
Di ba kailangan nata? Sad kayo mag Transformers.
Sa heart. Nakapansin ka sa akong heart. Promise, lagi ko yung heart. Ang mo yung motor lang. Ay, perfect. Feel ako na ng Instagram bio. Ay, perfect.